Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Wells Fargo app updating caused bugs. New app update acting buggy. A fresh install usually fixes it. Here's the safest sequence. First of all, force close the app and restart the phone. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find the app that you're about to swipe away, then swipe it away. After that, restart your phone. On Android, clear cache. Now, if you're on Apple, open settings, go to iPhone storage, open Wells Fargo, and then offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will paste back your data if the app is still available for download. Then log back in and verify like biometry says. If issue proceeds, check app reviews for known bugs and wait for patch. Tip: keep automatic updates on so critical fixes install quickly. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.